Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Prince curry and rice for kids, non-spicy with a lot of vegetables. When I was small, I wanted it so hard at my daughter's age because the packaging is attractive. I forgot to buy meat, so I told my daughter I can't make it today. Then my daughter said you can use tofu, so I decided to use it, and later I saw the back of the package and found that this product is vegan. So I think it's a perfect product for vegetarian vegan people. So if you can find this Prince curry sauce mix, please try it out. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. As you can see, the packaging is so cute. By the way, as usual, this video is not sponsored. Slice the onion. Using cookie cutters, cut out the potato and carrot. And finally chop the rest. Cut tofu into bite-sized pieces. Heat cooking oil in a pot and cook the onions and chopped vegetables on medium until tender. Add water and bring to a boil. Remove the foam and add tofu. Then simmer on low for 15 minutes. Turn off the heat, add the roux, leave it for a while to melt. Meanwhile, remove the tofu. By the way, I simmered tofu to drain water. Now I want to take them out so that they won't crumble. Now put on low again and simmer for 5 minutes until thickened. Cook the heart-shaped potatoes and star-shaped carrots in a different pot for a few minutes. Put back the cooked vegetables and tofu in the curry and cook until warm. Serve the curry over rice. And now it's done! Quick and easy, fun for kids to help. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Itadakimasu. どうですか？とっても優しい味でしょ？
うん。優しい、めちゃめちゃ優しい。
めちゃめちゃ優しい。
おいしいパパ。
美味しいね。
どんな味がする？
優しい味がするね。
優しい？
辛くない。
スパイシーカレー。
何言ってんの？
じゃあ、ピッポッポッポ。
パッパパピッポパポ。
明日
食べるって言ったの？
言った通りカレーが美味しい。
そうだね。
じゃ